Lexus IS 250 rear brake pad replacement. First thing you want to do, remove your rim, 21 lug nuts. Alright, once you remove that, just want to remove both the number 14s, one there, the lower one right there. Alright, once you remove your caliper, remove your brake pads, compress your piston. Alright, so your old brake pads, there's some clips right there. The new ones come with the clips. This one installed in the same spot as the old one. That's the inner pad, outer pad. Alright, once you reinstall your new brake pads, clips right, install back your caliper, two number 14s, and pump your brake pad, pump your brakes before you drive off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.